Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. So welcome back. My name is Bada Sadal. Here I am with five more example of simple basic Python codes. Without wasting time, let's move to our first example, bubble sorting implementation. So what we are going to do in this example is that we have array. We have to sort a list of number using a bubble sort algorithm. It shows the list after each sorting. For example, here um, uh, we have the arrays. What we do, it will sort in a sense that first there will be small number, and from smaller to bigger it will be sort. This example. Um, First we have to see the code what is happening here. First we define the function here and the variable length of array, the how many numbers and how many letters or how many numbers in the array. Inside the for loop, we use the range of n. Print f pass if I plus one. Um, for you are using here a nested loop for loop inside of for loop. Here's a j which ranges that 0 and minus I and I 1. If the array of j is greater than this, then what will do, it will swap and the number is greater than the next number. If the number greater than next number, it will swap. For example, let's see 64, there is 34 and 25. So what will do, it will snap 34 with 25. In this case, what will do, it will snap the 64 here and 34 there, and it will snap. If we on our run the code, what we'll see, yes, what we'll do in first part, 34 swap with 64. Then you can see 25 snap here, then 12 snap here, and then 11 swap here, and then on 6 it will snap with the with yes. So 7 after 7 swap it will showing that 11 12 22 25 30 37 64 and 90. So we got the best sorting here at wait a minute, what I'm saying here is swap before that, but I mean that it swapped here in fab pass. Yes, swap right pass in this way. Okay, let's move towards another example that is on linear search program. What we do here, we search for a number in a list using a linear search. We found that the print the index, and if not found. Here we are using the function linear search in which there's array and target. Inside the for loop, we um, inside the for loop we are using if array of I is equal to it's like means that it should be equal to that target. Then if it is equal to target, then number is found. If not, then not found. Here is an example that we have array of 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Um, if I okay wait, there is asking for a number to enter. If I enter the word number 30 here, 30, and enter, it says that yes, it says that number is found at index 2. Coordinates, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we move towards the other example basic data analysis with Pandas. Here what we do, we read that data frame with the student name and store scores, then they display the table mean, maximum, mean value, maximum value, and minimum score. Again, we use the library import Pandas PD dictionary with the student data, name Ali, Zara, John, Aisha, and Zen. With this score, here we create the data frame like PD frame data and data inside. This data come inside this. Print data analysis, print student data table. This is for the decoration purpose and printing these things. Here the main thing comes. Here the basic statics come. What will be shown as mean stored. We are using this. You can see that mean where field function that will do that. These are built-in function by the way inside the Python. After doing that thing, here it will show all the student printing, the name, um, numbers, and all this score, along with the static here, mean value, highest score, and the lowest score. The table we print was shown here. This table, you can see. Yes. So let's move towards the visualization of these data. Like for example, this is data's. The graph I shown was of fourth example visualization data with the Matplotlib. Here is the numbers and all the subjects are coded like math, ETA, science, all these score all students. Let's assume that these are students of one student score in some subjects given. Here we are plotting the title, labeling the x-axis, y-axis, grade, type, and show. Let me show the graph to you. Here are the five subjects we deal with: math, science, English, history, and computer. If we move towards the math, is you can see that is almost 88%, and this is 75. Here you can see. You can also see here when I'm moving my cursor. You can see it's 90%, is 70%, and it's yes, it's 95. Move towards our last example that is simple number operation. Create a number array and perform sum, mean, and reshape. First, we deal with the array of 2 into 3. Here we are print the array. By the way, this column showing the separation of two matrices, two rays. You can say that. Perform the basic operation. We are printing the sum of elements. Sum here using the sum library, sum function, which is also built in some built-in function or Python language. So these are representing the sum of all these here 21 and mean of all two is 3.5, and here we are reshaping this 2 into 3 matrix. I want to shape in 3 into 2 matrix. So here we shape it. You can see here. Okay, you can see. Well, thank you so much. By the way, it is the last video of this simple Python course. Further, I will inshallah make new videos on soon on Python. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.